Hello everybody, Dominican Baby Bruja here, back with yet another video for you all. As I promised yesterday in my live video, I was going to show you guys my DIY Metaphysical all-purpose cleansing solution that I make at home. It's really great for cleansing any space, any surface. I love putting it in a spray bottle so that you're able to spray it in a room, like kind of spray it almost like an air freshener to cleanse. You could even spray it on a surface if you want to wipe it. This is just really amazing to be able to hold the solution better. So I recommend just kind of recycling an old spray bottle. This was like a hair thing, I think, that I just used for the spray. Now obviously you're going to want to rinse this out very well, clean it, and we're also going to cleanse it with some incense as well. But let's go ahead and get into the stuff that we're going to be using today. So we're going to need some Florida water. You can get this at your local Botanica. Personally, if you live somewhere like that's very high with spiritual activity like the way I do, I can even find Florida water at my local Walgreens. So if you're lucky like that, holy water, this is not really necessary. The reason that I use holy water is because I like to dilute the Florida water a bit because it's very strong, but the holy water also has those pure cleansing, also has that pure cleansing energy, which is why I like to use it, that spiritual cleansing energy. If you don't have holy water, you can always use spring water and bless it and charge it with cleansing positive energy, and you can use that to dilute the Florida water in the solution. You can use your favorite incense to cleanse the bottle itself. Here I have rose water incense and frankincense and myrrh incense. I personally am going to use the rose water today, but you can just use your favorite incense. I have a Carnelian crystals. This is optional. Again, this crystal is very good for vitality, confidence, success, very good for women's reproductive systems, very good for just positivity in general. You could just throw in your favorite crystal or little crystal pieces if you want. I found this at my local Botanica as well. And last but not least, your favorite essential oils so that you're able to add a scent to the cleansing solution. And also every single essential oil has its own unique properties as well. So based off the property of the essential oil and what type of properties you want to put into your cleansing solution, you can kind of choose that accordingly. I personally like the smells and properties of lemongrass and orange essential oil. So those are the ones that I personally like to use. Cedarwood is also a very good one that I have. And I also have lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint. I mean, I have another box of essential oils too, but I have this one that I got from Amazon and this one as well. So you can just throw in your favorite essential oils. Again, that's optional, just for scenting purposes and also to add those unique properties to your cleansing solution. So let's go ahead and get started. So of course you're gonna grab your spray bottle. Could be a big bottle, could be a small bottle. I personally just reuse the small bottle and just refill it as I go. It's already about like halfway full because I just finished using it actually. So I'm gonna just, I'm gonna open this actually just so I can show you guys how I go ahead and cleanse it with the incense. But it's not very hard. You're just gonna take the smoke of the incense and just run it in the bottle, around the bottle, and kind of put your intention into it that this is going to hold energy of cleansing and spiritual cleansing, positivity, and anything else that you want, any other energies that you want to put into your house, into your space, whatever it is that you're cleansing. This one burns a little bit harder. Oh, by the way, this incense I got from my local Botanica, but you can find it online. And this rose water incense I got from Walmart actually. So you're just gonna let that go and you're gonna go in a clockwise motion to bring in positivity and light. You can put it towards you to bring in positivity and light. And also a way just to, I'm gonna go counterclockwise to eliminate any negativity. Get that away from you. I'm gonna cleanse the inside of the bottle as well. I'm gonna cleanse this part. Open it if you want. Get the inside really good. All right, and that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this incense to the side now and kind of let it burn on my altar right here. And essentially what I like to do with this spray is I like to make it with half Florida water and half holy water. Again, I already have some in here, so I'm just gonna kind of top it off. Oh, I spilled some because I'm a klutz. Just gonna pour a little bit of Florida water in there. Oops, wrong cap. Put that to the side. I'll put a little bit of holy water in there. So you just top it off. You want to leave a little bit of room so you don't overfill it, because we're going to go ahead and put this back on as well. And then next you can add as many drops of your essential oils as you feel fit. I like to usually add like 7 drops of each, but this already has some in it, so I don't want to overdo it. So I'll just add a couple of drops. Maybe like 3 of each, 3 or 4 of each. But you can add as many drops as you want to. Again, you guys know that I'm the first person to say when it comes to any type of witchcraft, spiritual work, anything like that, I always say do what feels right to you. If 7 doesn't feel like the right number of drops to you, put however many you feel fit. And if you don't feel like using a number at all, you're just kind of gonna eyeball it, go ahead, that's fine too. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back. You can put in your crystals. I'm gonna have to buy more, but that's okay. And then all you're gonna do now is just close it, if this wants to close. All right, perfect. I'm gonna shake it up. And then you're gonna wanna speak your intention over this. You can visualize it, you can just speak in your head, you can kind of just say, cleansing energy. I have cleansing music playing in the background, whatever feels fit to you, but you're gonna wanna put your intention into this spray so that it is a cleansing spray for you. The reason I really love this spray as well is because my dad actually hates the smell of sage and incense and stuff, so I like to spray this instead just to kind of cleanse my space. I kind of spray almost like an air freshener in my room. Instead of burning incense or sage, because he really doesn't like it. Right now I'm only burning it because he's not here and I'll be able to air it out, but that's what I really love to use it for. I love to cleanse my altar, just to kind of cleanse anything. And if you want to kind of put a similar solution in maybe your mop water when you're cleansing, to cleanse your floors, this would be a really great floor cleanse. Obviously it doesn't have any herbs or anything like that, so it's very basic. I would say the only ingredient that you really need here is gonna be that Florida water. It's pretty essential. And you can even just, like I said, just do Florida water and spring water, mix it up, add a couple essential oils, and that's it. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make my all-purpose metaphysical cleansing spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to get out more videos for you guys as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.